In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete members in Slack. To be more accurate, what Slack actually allows you to do is deactivate a member's account rather than fully delete their profile. That's because Slack keeps message history and file connections intact. So removing an account entirely could disrupt past conversations and records. Deactivation is the standard offboarding method. It immediately removes the person's access to the workspace, signs them out of active sessions, and stops billing for that seat while preserving historical data. Before you begin, make sure you have the right level of access. This action can only be completed by a primary workspace owner, or workspace admin. Regular members and guests won't be able to manage or deactivate other users. To start, open Slack either through the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once you're inside the correct workspace, go to the top left area of the screen and click the workspace name in the sidebar. This opens the main drop-down menu for workspace controls. From there, look for tools and settings, or in some versions, administration, and then choose manage members. Slack will open the member management area in a browser window where you can handle workspace users more directly. Inside the member dashboard, go to the search field at the top of the members list. Enter the name, display name, or email address of the person you want to remove from access. As you type, the list will narrow automatically, making it easier to find the correct member. Take a moment here to verify you have the right profile before continuing. Once you've found that user, move to the far right side of their row and click the three-dot More Actions menu. In the options that appear, select Deactivate Account. This opens the final control step. Slack will then show a red confirmation window asking you to confirm the deactivation. Review the message carefully. It will explain that the user's message history will remain in the workspace, but their access and active sessions will end immediately. When you're ready, click the red Deactivate button to confirm. After that, the admin page will refresh. The member's account should now appear as deactivated, and you may see their status reflected under a deactivated members filter. If you return to Slack itself, the change takes effect right away, which means that person is signed out across desktop, mobile, and browser sessions. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.